大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome back. This is the test for lesson 20. And in that lesson, we've learned a super important tip of learning Chinese characters, and it can double your effort in learning them. That is root word. And we learned a super common root word that is heart. See this one. So this is the shape of the heart, and the three dots symbolize the vessels in our heart. So the pronunciation of it is xin, and we've learned several words that has a heart in it, and the meaning of the words always has some association with the heart. Okay, let's see. These are the words we learned in lesson 20. If you find these words mysterious or so complicated, please go and watch the lesson 20. I promise you, you will become so familiar with these words. But if you have already learned that lesson, let's check your learning. So what's the first word? You can pause here and match the word with its meaning. So if you are done, let's check the answer together. So the first one is sing. Sing, it means heart. And this one is tin. Tin, water plus hot. It means refreshed. You know, water can refresh everything. It cools heart, isn't it? And this one is meng. Meng, it means down. A heart is kept inside of a door. So you're going to feel down if you are kept inside a door for a long time. And this one is B. B, it means must. So just one stroke, compared with the heart. And it's kind of, if you think you must do something, okay, it's always in your heart, it's hanging in your heart. So just one extra stroke. It means must, and the pronunciation is B. And this one is si. It means think. So the top of it is the farming land, symbolize farming land. You see, we always put our heart to think how to improve the productivity. So this is the word si, and the meaning of it is think. And actually, these are two words, but they are always used together. So tan, te, they mean unsettled, because the top of them are 上下. It means up and down, up and down. So when your heart is up and down, it means you feel unsettled or a little bit frightened. So this is the phrase, and it means unsettled. Pronunciation is tan, te. So how many do you get right? You can leave it in the comment below. And if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's go to the next one. You write the words according to the pronunciation and the meaning and some picture. Some of them has pictures. If you are done, let's check the answer together. So the first one is xin. I believe you can write it, isn't it? Xin, the shape of the heart, and the three dots symbolize vessels. And this one, B, it means must. So compared to heart, it just has one extra stroke. It's B. B, it means must. And this one, meng, it means down. So a heart inside a door. A door outside is a door. And inside is the heart. Okay, let's go to the next one. So the same thing, can you write it? Okay, if you are done, let's check the answer together. So this one is si. It means think. So as we know, see, this is the shape of a farming land. and a heart at the bottom means we always put our heart to think how to improve the productivity because farming or agriculture is so important to us. So it's 思, it means think. And this one, 清, it means refreshed. So water plus heart. So water, this is a super common radical in Chinese. It means water, just 3 dots, 3 drops of water symbolize water. So water plus heart, it means refreshed. And the pronunciation of it is ting, ting. And the last one actually is 2 words, tan, te. And this phrase means unsettled. It's the top of it is shang, xia. It means up and down. And the bottom of these 2 words are, you see, they are hard. So when your heart is kind of up and down, it means unsettled. It means you're kind of frightened. So how many do you get right? Leave them in the comment below. I hope you can use this tip in your learning journey, the tip of root words. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。